YouTube? This your boy JD92 coming at y'all. As y'all can see, we got another unboxing for y'all. Actually caught these from the homies over at StockX once again. Like I said, nigga, I took that shit serious, nigga. We don't fuck with GOAT no more. I know GOAT is like the OG on the channel and shit, but hey man, them niggas tripping, man. Can't fuck with them, man. So we rocking with the StockX from now on, nigga. Plus, too much dead stock shit that I want. That yeah, I'd rather fuck with StockX because they be cheaper. But yeah, man, we gonna go straight into this unboxing. Go ahead and smack that thumbs up, that like button, subscribe so you can join the God Squad, all that good shit. We about to get straight into it. So I actually copped these because I know exactly which ones they are. Shout out to Savage Beauty. If it wasn't for her, I wouldn't know which one is which. Yeah, I know exactly what shoes these are, and I got these for a particular reason. At first, I ain't gonna fake, I didn't like them, or never mind, rephrase that. This wasn't my favorite pair. Say it, put it like that. It wasn't my favorite pair. Oh shit, I see the top, nigga. Car ain't got a roof. But nah, this was my favorite pair out of the ones that have released in this model. And I've never owned a pair of these, so I said fuck it, we gonna pull the trigger. Now I know this shoe might come as a shock to y'all that I copped, because I mean I like it, but not too many people rock with this model for some weird reason. Throw away this weird bubble wrap. It ain't even a good bubble wrap, man. What's up with these big? I like the little them shits. But yeah, not too many people rock with it, and I don't know why. Simply because, I mean, I guess it's more like a hood thing, and you gotta rep your hood. And if you ain't from that hood, you probably should be repping it, because your ass get ran out the hood. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out. I'm rapping too much, and we gonna talk about it. I'm trying so hard for y'all not to see the box, because as soon as y'all see the box, y'all gonna know what it is. But yeah, so can you see? Is there details on the bottom? Nah. Alright, so look, white Nike box. And what we got today, first on this channel, is the Kendrick Lamar's Damn Kenny Cortez 3. Cortez Kenny whatever. Now I got these in a size 12, thanks to watching a few reviews. So we gonna go ahead and pull out this shoe at the same time like we do. Oh shit, they got good. Oh, the paper is good. Nigga, this shit fire. Facts. Hold up, hold up, let me get it started. Be with the Robins. The sticker on retarded. Nigga, what the fuck? Yeah, I'm trying to get all the little bullshit out the way. Whoever stuffed this damn box did a horrible job. But son, whole time, this shit go hard. This shit's stupid. Damn, StockX, the shipping and the handling was ass. Y'all packaging skills suck. So they put the wrapping paper damn upside down. Get it, damn? They put it upside down. I'll fix it later. But look, we gonna do this together. Alright, so look, I've never seen these in person. I don't know if y'all seen these in person. So yeah, let's go ahead and get straight to it. Oh, we got layers. We got layers. Oh yeah, they had it right. I had it right the first time. I'm fucking up. But y'all ready for this? Let's get this shit. Woo! Woo! Kung Fu Kenny now. Damn, these shit look humongous. Dinosaur feet ass nigga. I don't even know if y'all can see these. I can't even get them on shit. But yeah, man, the Cortez Kenny size 12. God damn, these motherfuckers is huge. But them bitches big as shit. God damn. Sheesh. Nigga. Hello? It's me. My feet big as fuck and y'all gon' be clowning me. Nigga, we got the Cortez kitties in that black, white, and red. Now I wanted the what you call the nigga stuttering dumbass nigga, but I wanted the all red ones, right? But nigga, that all red price though, I wasn't dropping another 500 no time soon this year. So I went ahead and went with the black and the red jumps. The other ones with an all white that said damn on the side, I wasn't rocking with those. I'd rather the other jumps, like the exclusive jumps. But y'all know when these first came out, I told y'all I actually liked them, but I didn't know how Cortez's would fit. So we finna find out in the official review if I'm fucking with it. But off top, I read some reviews on it and they said you would think like the materials would be more spectacular. And I mean, I could see where they got that, like the leather stiff and like the suede is cool, but the suede on the damn Ultratex I just reviewed felt way better than this. Like, to keep it 100, but it is what it is. I got this shoe. I'm happy I got it. I got it for a specific reason. So it is what it is. But these jumps look big as shit. These jumps look like pillow shoes, my nigga. But shouts out to the dude that had these on, like in a on feet, cause he really the one that made me want them. Because he cracked his jumps, like he wore the fuck out his jumps. And so I was like, fuck it, I want to give it a shot, see how it look. So yeah, man, I ain't trying to make this no long, drawn out ass unboxing. My unboxings be longer than the damn review sometimes. So this is just a simple unboxing. Cortez Kenny 3 jump. Shout out to StockX once again. This box is stupid. The box might go harder than the damn shoe. But yeah, man, Cortez Kenny 3 full review will be up as soon as possible, as soon as I can get it to y'all. It might come as a double upload with the Aniki running jumps that I just unboxed last Monday with Savage Beauty. If you haven't checked that one out. If you haven't checked out that vid, go check it out. The thumbnail should have popped up so y'all know exactly which one it is. But so it might come as a double upload. But yeah, man, Cortez Kenny 3 in that black, white, and red colorway. Full review will be up this Saturday. And yeah, man, I'm looking forward to it. Looking forward to how these fit on feet and how these jumps look with my style, and if they look right. Because if not, nigga, I might give these shits back. Well, not give them back, but try to sell them back. But either way, even if they don't look straight, I'll probably keep them just cause they Kendrick Lamar's, nigga. It's my top 5. He's in my top 5, nigga. It go Crit, Cole, Kendrick, Kanye, then Logic. So he top 3 in my list, so I'm gonna have to keep him. Nigga, it'll be crazy if I get him in time. But yeah, I'm rapping too much, man. I'm gonna get y'all up out of here. I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching. Go ahead, hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe to the channel, like I said in the beginning, so you can join the motherfucking God Squad. Y'all already know, best squad on YouTube. Join the gang, man. And if your finesse game strong, you don't go wrong. So that's why you need to join the gang. If you be out here finessing and shit, join the God Squad, cause we finesse gods in this beach. And we lit as shit. Y'all can follow me on anything, all my social media. You can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and all that at JDiggy92. Man, I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. Shout out to the art page, nigga. Finesse God masterpieces. Y'all gonna see some art real soon. Don't worry. And copy out some dope art. And I'm gonna go ahead and get y'all up out of here. Cortez Kenny 3s. I love y'all. Thank y'all for watching. And like I always say, I will see y'all when I see y'all.